Good morning to all. Myself M. Srinivasan. I am Associate Professor, Institute of Engineering and Management. Today, my topic is Introduction of Heat Transfer. Heat transfer is the study which helps you to understand how to determine the transfer of heat which we use by means of conduction, convection, radiation in the process of manufacturing products. Heat is generated as wastage at every energy conservation system. If someone has a proper knowledge about heat transfer, he can easily increase efficiency of any system, which is crucial for every process. Nowadays, world is more conscious about energy conservation. So, as an engineer, it is important to have a stable process with low energy consumption and cost effective. So main objective of heat transfer, the student will be able to distinguish the fundamental and derived units in heat transfer, derive dimensional formula of variable in heat transfer, understand and explain various modes of heat transfer, acquaint themselves with various problems on heat transfer, understand the operation of heat exchanger, of cell and tube, multipass and single pass type, understand the principle of evaporation and operation of evaporators, solve simple heat transfer problems. State Council has distributed the topics. Conduction, it is having 15 periods. Convection and heat exchangers, 20 periods. Radiation, 10 periods. Evaporation, 15 periods. Total, it is 60 periods. When we are going to conduction chapter, we will study heat flow concept in conduction, steady state and unsteady state heat flow, state Fourier's law of conduction, heat flow through a single material, heat flow through composite walls, heat flow through cylinder, heat flow through spheres, heat flow in a single and series medium, thermal insulation and a critical radius of insulation, and last one is solve simple numerical problems on conduction. When we are going to convection and heat exchanger, concept of heat flow by convection, natural and forced convection, individual and overall heat transfer coefficient, application of dimensional analysis in convection, use empirical equations for different flow regime, parallels, co-current, countercurrent flow, log mean temperature difference, classify heat exchanger, construction and working of cell and tube heat exchanger, multipass and single pass heat exchanger, derive energy balance for cell and tube heat exchanger, scrapped surface heat exchanger, heat transfer in agitated vessel, define condensation, dropwise and film type condensation, and last one is solve simple numerical problems. When comes to radiation chapter, we'll discuss about principle in radiation heat transfer, what is the concept of black body, gray body and emissivity, monochromatic emissive power, derivation of total emissive power, state Kirchhoff's law, state Stephen Boltzmann's law, state Wien's law and Planck's law, estimate heat transfer by radiation. Next, last chapter is evaporation. Here we will discuss about objective of evaporation, performance, capacity, economy of evaporator, differentiate among various type of evaporators, construction and operation of standard basket evaporator, long tube forced circulation type evaporator, elementary principle of single and multiple effect evaporators, materials and energy balance of single effect evaporators, solve simple problems on evaporators. Last one is boiling point elevation, vapor recompression, mechanical recompression and thermal recompression. So many books has given for your reference. One is Methyl by J. Smith, unit operation by chemical engineering, and Bajero and Banchero, this is introduction to chemical engineering, and unit operation 2 by K. Gabhane, this is Nirali publication. These are the syllabus designed by the State Council of Orissa. So one by one we will discuss, and all the classes will be held online, that is either Google Meet or Zoom class. So link is provided to all the students, all the classes simultaneously, online classes, and also video of the classes of the same day also provided to the students. Thank you very much.